Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do the dirty work so you can make the cleanest decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two robotic vacuums that promise to keep your home spotless while you kick back and binge-watch your favorite shows. In the left corner, we have the iRobot Roomba J7, aka the Roomba. And in the right corner, making its debut, the Roborock Qrevo S, aka the Roborock. Let's dive into this clash of the titans. First things first, let's talk about the price. The Roomba comes in at a cool $599, while the Roborock will set you back a whopping $799. That's right, folks. The Roborock costs as much as a small island in the Caribbean. So if you're looking to save some cash for that vacation, the Roomba might be your new best friend. Or just keep that extra $200 in a piggy bank for a rainy day. Who knows, maybe you can buy a second Roomba for the upstairs. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Literally, the Roomba boasts imprint smart mapping, allowing you to control and schedule which rooms get cleaned and when. It's like having a tiny, obedient butler who never asks for a raise. And with advanced sensors, it won't get stuck under your couch like your last date did. On the flip side, the Roborock comes with a multifunctional dock that does everything except cook you breakfast. It washes its own mop, dries it with hot air, and even self-empties. This thing is more self-sufficient than some of my friends. Reviewers say that the Roomba excels in navigating and avoiding obstacles, while the Roborock's multifunctional dock and self-cleaning features are game changers. Let's talk about suction power. The Roomba is no slouch, but the Roborock packs a powerful 7,000 pascal suction. That's like having a mini black hole in your living room. The dust, dirt, and your cat's hair? Gone in a flash. Reviewers have praised the Roborock for its superior suction power, while the Roomba, though effective, doesn't quite measure up in this department. Speaking of mops, the Roomba doesn't even have one. It's like showing up to a water fight with a squirt gun while the Roborock arrives with a fire hose. With dual spinning mops that operate at 200 RPM, the Roborock ensures your floors are cleaner than your browsing history. According to reviewers, the Roborock's mopping functionality is highly appreciated for its efficiency and thoroughness. Both vacuums offer impressive navigation. The Roomba uses iRobot Genius to navigate your home, while the Roborock uses PresaSense LiDAR and 3D mapping technology, making it feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie. The Roborock also supports up to 4 levels of map saving, so if you live in a mansion, this one's for you. Reviewers note that the Roomba excels in obstacle recognition, but the Roborock's advanced mapping technology sets it apart. Overall, reviewers appreciate the iRobot Roomba J7 for its obstacle recognition and efficient navigation, though some have issues with its software and bin capacity. On the other hand, the Roborock Qrevo S is praised for its strong suction, advanced features, and self-sufficiency, making it a favorite among those looking for a high-end cleaning solution. So which one is the ultimate champion? If you're budget-conscious and want reliable, straightforward cleaning, the Roomba is your go-to. But if you want all the bells and whistles and you're ready to splurge, the Roborock is a feature-packed powerhouse. Either way, your floors will thank you. Thanks for watching Buy Smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description. Until next time, keep it clean.